So there's certain information that jurors are not allowed to consider when you go to a trial. The rules of evidence specifically limit exactly what jurors consider. So it's really important when we evaluate a case from the outset is not only what are the facts of the case, but how do we plan on getting these facts in front of a juror. The rules of evidence are very specific that if a piece of information is not relevant, it doesn't come in. Some of those common things that are excluded are liability insurance, health insurance, and subrogation amounts in regard to repayment of medical bills.
For example, jurors are not told, and it is not introduced into evidence under almost all circumstances, that there is automobile insurance involved in a car wreck, or how much insurance the at-fault driver has. And the reason being is that how much insurance somebody has really isn't relevant to who ran the red light. And it's really about, there's two issues in a car wreck case where there's an injury. One is who was at fault, and then the second issue is what were the harms and losses that were caused by that conduct. It's not a question of who can pay or how much they can pay. The jury's decision is just to make a decision on that basis. The other things that the jurors are not told is how much are the attorney's fees, how much are the case-related expenses. That's never, almost never, admitted into evidence. And particularly it will never come in a car wreck case. Health insurance is typically not admissible in court. The lawyers are told to redact from the medical bills. Redact simply means to erase or cover up any references to health insurance. I mean, most common sense folks, when they're sitting in a jury room, they say, well, he works for so-and-so, we know he's got health insurance. Well, that's the jurors kind of investigating the case outside the parameter of the evidence that's actually presented, which is what they are told by the judge not to do. So yes, there are certain things the jurors don't know, but there are reasons for that.